Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In today's video, I will demonstrate how to set up a proxy in Kodai AIO. Let's get started. Launch the program. On the left-hand side, navigate to the Proxies tab. At the top, specify the name for your proxy list. Depending on whether you have a single proxy or multiple proxies as a list, enter the proxy details in the following format. For a free proxy, IP address, port. For a personal proxy, username, password, @ IP address, port. Each new line represents a new proxy. Save your proxies by clicking on the Save Proxies button. To assess the performance of your proxies, click on Test Proxies. Select the proxy list you created earlier and choose the resource on which you want to test them. If the test is successful, it means the proxies are functioning properly and you can use them in Kodai AIO. In case you have non-functioning proxies in the list, you can remove them by clicking on Clear Bad Proxies. This action will delete the non-working proxies while the functional ones will be retained. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, proxysale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video!